Mr. Sameer Bhai, please pick up the phone.
I got $500 in cash in case
Mr. Sameer Bhai, please pick up the phone.
to the annex sorority house. She snuck me in. She tried.
Mr. Sameer Bhai, please pick up the phone.
Was too springy. The room was too dingy. You really can't blame me.
Mr. Sameer Bhai, please pick up the phone.
Only acting I do is acting on impulse. No stress pimples.
Mr. Sameer Bhai, please pick up the phone.
For taking out the headphone jack on the iPhones. Now we only plug it in.